lovelies, today I'm going to show you a new year eve makeup look, so let's get started. First I'm going to apply Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator. Then I'm applying foundation from Milani and Maybelline both. Then I'm going to blend it. Now I'm applying this NYB contour, giving a structure to my face. Now it's time to apply Swiss Beauty concealer and the shade is 02. Off camera I did my eyebrows and it's time to set my face with my favorite loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me. Now I'm doing my powder contouring from Wet n Wild contouring palette. Then from Swiss Beauty Brick highlighter I'm applying my blush and highlighter as well. For today's eye look, I'm going to apply a brownish color all over my lid. Then I'm applying this shimmer color half of the lid. Then I'm applying this green color on my lower lash line and make a reverse wing and blend it with a lemonish yellow color. Then I'm applying this liquid glitter from Nika K and applying my lipstick from NYB. So here's the final finished look, guys. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe. Ta-ta!